Yeah, one next thing up on the app here. I mean, I wonder if them people really have sense. I one brother what call himself Bada. He must help
Yeah.
King and Chef. He must help King and Chef to come to
Yeah.
Bada.
Yeah, me see him too.
And the dad up on the app talk say, who with more me money? Brother, a 7 felony that he will pick up in and you don't know, you know?
Well on, he say he want the money from King and share them.
Yeah, because if they don't pay the money, can help them come to Bada. I mean, I say, you really come on the app where immigration has every black thing. And they talk, say, the man them country border. I mean, I say, where we come from? What we are doing? We make you have turned me in an idiot. Brother,
Story, brother. Everybody want a story to sell, brother. That
a
me see upon one.
7 felony can pick up a more too, you know. You have one of them call human trafficking. Do the human them agree for them car them a human trafficking same way. That one next charge they call coyote. Coyote. I'm not charging with criminal intent. This the people them don't know. We don't know who are talking to them. All them people say,
Brother, attraction, brother. Attraction, brother. Attraction, brother. People want trend. People want depend. People just want relevant, brother. They will do anything, brother. They will do anything. They will do anything, brother.
but one of my biggest disappointments is Real Dog with then you know make sense in a play. We play in F alright. You see run with Destiny over there. Then in selective,
Yeah, cause them not no money. That I think, bro, in selective, in play with the one them when not no money, bro. That's why him even can't run with Roger and this Roger. And he still have to go friend back Roger, cause much as all Roger not no money. Roger kinda have Roger have a girl them. You see Roger? You see Roger? Roger a type of Batman. You know you have some Batman where woman love him.
alright.
Yeah.
Alright. You know
I
me
him
a
that.
ex-soldier, right?
Yeah, man.
But me I tell you say, enough boy I know Roger and Roger bad man more than Real Dog, you know. Enough boy I
You don't
know
have to
that.
tell me. You don't have to tell me, bro. You don't have to tell me, bro. You know that.
As much as he lean up, you know, a bad boy, you know, me I tell
Yeah,
you.
and he have him brother them. He have some bad brother too, you know. Yeah, you have two bad
Me I
brother
say,
too.
is a boy if you diss him, you will disappear. Certain way. That boy them, me I tell you. And a joke
Yeah,
thing.
man. Me know I rough on fish dog, man. Me know I rough on fish dog, man. Me know say rough on fish dog. Yo, fish dog gone, you know, brother. Fish dog gone, you know. Empty shell that, you know. Yo, me I tell you
Dog.
something. You see next year, you see this a year. Uno look and see and notice I'm marky, brother. And notice how hard they go that year upon the fuck, brother. They not do nothing positive that year, you know, brother. To that,
No?
you know, bro. I be a fuck with them doing the only positive thing when I see them I do, and it's still not positive in my eye. Cause I know I when them a video people and I put them on camera and I give them money, you know. Me
No,
not like that, you know, bro. You see me?
hold on, one thing what me have to key, Brit and Sisley was the Varney situation, which part them help out Varney with the cancer youth. Me have to take off my hat for them, then do that. And then do a couple other things too. Is what me answer. Which part me
Yeah,
can
them do
say,
couple
yeah.
of that thing. Bro, and
Yeah.
even them do it too, bro. I would do it. I TikTok and then I think them are doing nothing for nobody, bro.
Yeah, but of them conducty boss. Is what me I say.
Yeah, them conduct it. Them conduct yes. But me I tell you, say they eat piece of food or title. I say, nah, conduct.
True that too.
Tell me, I tell the fam. They nah do nothing out of no heart. The one them I do it out of their heart. Nah, they pan yard do it and them I do it, brother. Bro, you know much people know I do things every day, bro. And now me not see them drive for them camera. Big people, bro. Big people, bro, I tell you, bro. Because you can't them put themselves in a position and say, yo, you know, say if me want to receive something, me wouldn't want them on no camera, bro. I say, yo, let me tell you something. I want you, I tell Black Son, say, yo, you know much people want to hug you up and cry on your shoulder, dog. But show every time you have your phone in your hand, they can't give you a hug for bless you and cry. I don't think they're blessing you. They think a video like and two little comments and then people are talking about No, brother, when people cry and release the love for your brother, release back here, at them time the youth feel good. I want to know you. See
Man,
me
I'm
love with them on the
disappointed.
farm.
When I see
Eh?
video this man, I'm disappointed. The fuck. God, yeah.
Somebody
God,
else
yeah.
said me, man.
Me say me did it now. Me and say alright. Probably then just get Perry a chance to Perry did in the industry too. So load them and Perry. It's me as a I them see this video you know to blood clan. Me and say this no man this not look good none at all.
They gone, bro. I see him,
It
so Mrs.
gone
C and
better.
Lee. Mrs. C and Lee, I play with one transgender last night, you know. Transgender, you know. One man returning out, one woman, you know.
Somebody said they send you it.
Somebody said me.
Yeah man.
Me I look funny. Last night, Mrs. Sian Lee, I play with one transgender and the people in the funny life. I said, Sian, a man.
On them gun there, no more.
You know when man come up and say, no, says a man, but you know one man like Perry, then we have money, and then sitting there like him and saying teammate, they don't rate him. Like them say, I better if I did Perry, they would not run off Perry. Or if I did Destiny or one of them, you see me? So it has show me, say, bro, everything becomes normal to them right now. Normal. You see, when things become normal to you, no man, it means, say, it's just normal. We have to call a spade a spade.
You know, in a shop yesterday with some female. I'm not talking about female, I'm not talking about Caribbean female. And I feel a way. When a female them I say, not talking about female from Trinidad and them place there. It's a Caribbean here salon here. You carry some food for your beach part. You know what I mean? You don't know, sit down and I'm taking the money. I say, one time them believe say Jamaica they strict on them thing, but when them see a foreigner now, Jamaica
I'm true, fam.
and
True, fam.
you feel a weird. I mean, I say,
I'm true, fam. You can't even say nothing, fam. I'm true, fam.
I want to reach us up.
Boy, I don't know, fam. It's called like then they shut down Jamaica one night time and upgrade and we don't know a blood clot, brother.
Clear, you look the blood bleed.
Yeah, dog. It's called like then they shut it down in a lockdown time. One upgrade, one we never know about. Yeah, brother. Alright, fam. You know when me shame? Let me tell you when me shame. Anytime I go through For You page and me hear one woman I talk about Jamaican man and I talk about all of them down the fish out. Jesus Christ, they will cut me the blood in my brother, man. Now tell you the truth, man. When they at them time me feel shame when old people dog we say something about people in other country and we not talk about fish out, we are talking saying nasty and then weird. We never talk about fish out. We are saying weird because them fishing thing we don't know some them that. So we don't make that bother with. We call that weird. But no, when in my culture, bro, girl them say, bro, the woman them say right now, 95% of man them a wobble. And that the woman them say. The woman them.
Yeah, I think I cool. You know when I think to, when me hear woman them I say, the Jamaican man them ask them for, I feel plug in on a back and me I say, yo, Jamaican man ask for that.
No
And
fish dog, man, you hear fish dog come here brawling come say too. The first time I born fish dog, I hit me here, he might tell Swiss. I ask Swiss say. He man the girl Kavi, he need a hog breast one, me don't know what she name. Kavi, me never forget bro, at that time I born on fish dog. Kavi, the hog breast one, and the boy we have two hermaphrodite them pan ya. One boy we have two girl. One with dying head.
Oh yeah, me know you talk. Yeah.
Yeah, and triple. See. You know where them ask the man they say? If when them give them girl back shot, can you know girl a back shot and a girl push shot?
Yeah.
If they not put the finger in her thumb, then they put the thumb in her body. That me triple and then shit up girl them ask fish dog. And fish dog laughing a better. And like him man I say, what did you know about this up here?
The blood clot you tell me.
Bro, God know, I'm not telling a lie. More than one time, man said. And the man, that's why I rate fish Swiss Lee. He must say, Swiss Lee, you don't do that on Swiss Lee. I say, you're more fair some of the nastiness. And one another time, he pussy come again. And I ask the man, say, yo, brawling, you know, the man depend on live and ask the man, say, if a man wouldn't put butt plug in a girl butt up. I say, that's why I tell someone to know, oh, no, real that fish dog same day. We can't rate him from there something there. Me a boy with a long grudge. For the rest of life, me a burn him.
Nah, like to you know, I go, me never did burn him, but that Jeffree Star thing, yeah.
Me not that burn him,
That
brother.
gasoline turn over upon him.
You wait. Me a release one blood class song tomorrow, 12 o'clock. Sharp January morning. I think he might go bust a windpipe again. I tell you.
So I go, you can't get a countdown from you. Then I hear a round up. Want a Jamaican round up, you know.
Oh, in terms of what? Oh, no, I'm around your pack.
Every fucking thing will go on for the rest of the year, man.
You know, so yeah, second somebody will say that to me, bro.
We need a round up, man.
You want a round? I come down no round down.
Yeah, man. Every bit of that thing will go on for a year.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna pick out the one that will fuck up the culture.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro. Now pick out the one that will fuck up the culture and take them down and tell them
We
say,
need a round blood clot, dog. We need to go in a
yeah, man, we need a round down for true, bro. We need a round down, bro. We need a proper round down too. I second somebody from between yesterday tell me, you know. People been not telling me.
I'll see night too.
Yeah, man. Me not left she, man. Remember say she crack one big piece of my chicken code, you know. Remember say, all along me I tell the people them say, I could have be a piece of shit in my mix give you know. And she can literally do that and give all the thing I carpet. Me love when you fuck me up, you see. Me love when you fuck me up. Me love me only glad she never there in a Spanish town. Me love her. Me love her. She can tell some people say, hey. You hear some people say, me bro, say they not eat when they don't know. Like they would have say. Some would have say they don't eat from people, and some would have say they not eat nothing if they don't know what they might eat. You know what I mean? I lie fuck them at them. I lie fuck.
Lie that, we can't, brother. I'm telling you, know. And camera and everything them installed. If I say anything IT we do, I'm go to some restaurants, go to install camera and everything. And you see when I go on the back of the kitchen, yeah?
Oh God,
if
man.
Condition around the kitchen, you see rat shit, this, rat shit, and then
God, man.
and
God,
say,
man.
and you would see front of the restaurant and see all nice.
Pretty.
And
Pretty. All the billboard, pretty.
Rascal, you don't know where I come from around this brother. Alright, I'm telling you one of the worst restaurant to eat from. It's Chinese and Indian food.
Yeah.
Brother. I never eat from a China and Chinese food I want used to love. Indian food I want used to love, brother. Never again. Is what I say?
I eat them food, brother. I tell you the truth, I never used to love none of them there. Not even fufu.
I used to love Chinese and Indian.
I not even like food. You see all fufu? I will never eat fufu.
you can't make your own fufu, you know.
Bro, me not like that. Let me tell you something. You know what's something me know say I know Africa will come from, bro.
I agree with you on that one there, car.
Alright, ask you something. Ask you something now, Michelle. Like how you see African they have their woman that walk out with breasts and them pussy.